Yes, where we are. Yes, where if I write here 10, then it will be extended, it will be scaled through x-axis because I have write 10 in the x part, so it will be extended in the x direction, x-axis. I hope you have read about some about axis in physics, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Same thing if we write 10 in y-axis. You can see 10. Wow, it will be extended, it will be scaled through y-axis. Wow, you can see this. Now somehow on some basis we can see it is a, we can say it is a wall. I know it's not a proper wall. It doesn't give a look of wall, but it is a wall, you can say. Some deficiencies are there, we will still fulfill that deficiencies here to give it a proper look of wall. Yes, what are the deficiencies? Now come to the deficiencies. What are the points, what are these things we can add this to give it a proper look of wall? The first thing, the most important thing, it's texture. The texture is a word used in Unity, you can say that a look that gives a proper look, or you can say a wallpaper, maybe you can say for your easiness to understand. For beginners you can say that thing is called texture. Now we bring our texture, wall texture. Before we bringing up a wall texture, in this asset part we are going to create a folder. Right click, then create, and then folder. Write it name texture, textures. Yes, and then double clicking. Now we are present inside the folder textures. How we can bring something to this folder? Easily, simply you can drag this file in Unity and then drop in that textures folder. It's very simple. You can see now it's here. Yes, very simple. And right after that, simply drag and drop this wall texture to this our thing which we have named this a divar. A wall. Yes, simply drag and drop this. Now I can say it is 90%, 99%, but it looks like a wall. Yes, it looks like a wall by giving it simple texture. These textures are free available on Google website, a lot of textures, but you should be very careful to download a proper image, download a proper good image, a JPG file. Other files are not cannot be drag and drop this. Yes, now it will be give us a look of proper wall. Right after this, if we go back to our assets folder, we see automatically a folder has been created known as materials. Material, you are well known, as its name suggests, material. What is material? The thing which helps us to make something. Material, yeah, you can look this thing is giving us a look. Now clicking on material, you can change its color. This is color in inspector part, as I have told before. All the properties are shown in the inspector part. We click, and then also we can easily change its color. You can observe that. Yes, we can change its color easily. This is the work of material. We will discuss a lot what is metallic look, smoothness. We will discuss a lot. But now in the end, I would like to suggest you to subscribe and like my channel and share it a lot. I am also a mathematics teacher and a computer science teacher and a Unity 3D game developer. My games are on the Play Store, Google Play Store. My games are available. I'm sorry. My games are available and I'm working a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. You will get a lot of stuff here from C++ programs, Unity 3D game developer, and mathematics, some questions, and especially mathematics theorem. Thank you. Wait for the next